reason I'm talking about the housing market is that you cannot, for a very long period in the UK, have gone to a dinner party or to the pub or in half time at a rugby match or a football match before people start talking about house prices. And there's a lot of reasons why. So we have a particular preference in the UK for holding our savings and ultimately our net worth in the form of housing. And what I want to do is try to explore why that came about and what kind of problems that leads to. The problems are, and a moment's thought will tell you what it is. If we tend to have a preference for holding housing, that might raise its relative price. It becomes more expensive. If it becomes more expensive, is that a good or a bad thing? I want to explore these things and try to look at the housing market from both sides and understand why it is we are where we are and what the solutions may be.